Hello! Hey, it's Artsea here, and today I will be teaching you the easiest combo I could think of. This will be beginner combo number 6 on my channel, and it has 5 parts to it because it's going to have several openings and closings that are pretty simple that you might already know if you're a beginner. Okay, so to start this off, there's going to be an easy way and a hard way. And the hard way is more of a challenge, okay? So the easy way is you're going to do 4 different tricks. It's about 3 to 4 tricks, and that can be your combo. Or you can add one more, which is an aerial at the end. You can add that to make it a little flashier. So I'm going to tell you all the 5 tricks included in this combo. They're up above and down in the description below. Hopefully you know those before attempting this. It's going to be the easiest combo I've ever posted, okay? The first one is basic opening number 2, then basic opening number 1, then half of the basic twirl, then closing number 5, and then the ice pick parabolic is what you can add at the end. Okay, so basic opening number 2 is what we're starting off with. So it looks like this. Hopefully you've learned that trick. I think it's one of the easiest openings. So we're only going to do half of it though. So we're going to be using the safe handle. That's where if the back of the blade isn't hitting your finger, it's not going to cut it. But the bite handle is right here, where if I put my finger here, the blade would cut my finger. So I'm going to flip the bite handle and blade back over the back of my whole hand. Then I'm going to flip it forward, and instead of coming up, I'm going to hold the handle like this, and I'm going to be twisting it. So see how I'm doing a twisting motion now? I'm going to be having my thumb and my index finger twisting it, and I'm going to twist the knife twice. So that is what you do in the opening number 1. So basic opening number 1 looks like that, right? 1, 2, 3, like that. So we're going to go from this opening to this opening, right? So it's just like a little bit of the motion of the second opening. And then you're going to be doing half the basic twirl, okay? So you're going to get you're in this position. The basic twirl looks like this, right? Hopefully you know that. So let me get back to where I was. So I'm going to go back, down, twirl, twirl, and now I'm in the position, okay? So I'm going to get my index finger on the back, and I'm going to face the knife like this away from me. So if you're looking at it, you're facing the knife away, just like you're about to do a basic twirl. And you're basically closing the basic twirl, that's what it is. So you're going to get your index finger right here, and you're going to flip the bite handle over your index finger, okay? So now you're going to be pivoting the knife downward, and this is where, and you could just pivot down like that and flip up. That is one way of doing this trick. Now I'm going to give you a flashier way to do it. So we're going to go back to where we were, right? We're going to have our index finger here, and we're going to do closing number 5. So closing number 5, instead of making the trick look like that, closing number 5 will make it look like that. which is a little cooler, right? Okay, so I'm back in this position, and now I'm going to pivot my finger down with my middle finger on the back. My thumb comes underneath, and closing number 5 is where you go like this, downward, and you're coming around, right? So instead, you're going to be faced this way with the blade out like this to the left, and you're going to swing the bite handle around and then swing up like that. So it's a little bit flashier. So I just wanted to make this look kind of impressive, especially if you just want something little to show your friends, you know. So then if you want to add the aerial at the end, you're in the perfect position. This is the position you need to be in for the ice pick parabolic, if you've ever watched that video. So then you're going to be lifting the the safe handle. You're going to be pushing it like this. Okay, so I'm going to push it and catch like that. So there it is. That was the ice pick parabolic. Okay, I'll show you one more time, but a little bit faster, all the steps. Okay, so basic opening number 2. You're going back, forward. You're not doing the full thing. And then you're going to twirl twice, which is basic opening number 1. Twirl, twirl. That's a pretty simple step. Okay, so now you're going to shift the knife from this position to being in front of you like this. Like you're going to do the basic twirl. Then you're going to put your index finger, originally your index finger is under here. You're going to put it on top, and you're going to flick the bite handle over, and you're going to be pivoting downward, pivoting, right? And then as you're pivoting, you're going to have it go downward like this, the knife. You're still pointed that way, the blade's going left, and you're going to twirl the handle, twirl it, and flip up. And move your fingers out of the way when you flip up. Don't have them like this and you're like, I can't flip up. So there it is, and then you're going to do the ice pick parabolic at the end, and you're going to land like this. And everyone will be impressed when you show them that combo. Also, thank you so much to my Patreons. I just got new equipment. I got a new camera, and I'm still getting more, but if you become a Patreon like everyone here, you are helping me out, and you get a bunch of benefits as well. Okay, I hope you guys like this combo. If you're interested in buying this knife, the Wave, I'm selling it on my website still. The light blue is still available. I think I have about 40 left, so go and buy it now before I'm all out. I won't do another order for a little bit, so yeah, you don't want to miss out. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below any questions you have, and I'll make sure to answer. Or you can DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is right here, and I will get back to you as soon as possible.